I have here the latest and greatest dash cam from Street Guardian Australia, the SG9667DC2K. It's a quad HP 1440p front cam plus a full HD 1080p rear cam. It's a dual channel Wi-Fi dash cam. Now, I've known Rick since 2013 when he released his first dash cam and started my testing career with him. The camera's increased in quality over the years and are made with good quality components and not cheap components on cameras of cheaper generic brands. That's why they last so long. I've helped test dozens over the years with him and others. Recommendations and feedback given to him are actually acted on, unlike some brands. And at times the following day I get a new beta firmware for testing from him with some of these recommendations and bug fixes. I used to have up to around 6 dash cams on my front windscreen at times, testing them in various conditions. A mate of mine purchased Street Guardian's first camera back in 2014 on my recommendation, and it is still being used today on his car. Several other friends of mine who have bought the cameras over the years still have them all in working condition. I have 2 storage boxes full of them in a shed. Majority are still working. Sure, you'll get a faulty one once in a while, nothing's perfect. That is why Street Guardian have a long 2-year warranty that you can register for in case this happens. And their products are that good. Anyway, on to the unboxing of this latest camera. Straight from the post, packaged, nice and tight, but here we go. Nice, I get a nice little fan. And the camera. Here's the camera. What we get in here is a nice little carry bag. The camera itself, along with its mount. The main control unit, nice and small. It's what we want to be a stealth installation rather than for everyone to see and to get in the way all the time. Comes with a CPL lens. Also, here's the GPS receiver. A quick start guide. A heap of accessories. Got the USB reader for the card for you. The mounting kits, brackets, and all the adhesive tape. An extension, it's normally used for the GPS tracker, a few wire clips, and a lot of brands of dash cams don't come with the trim removal tool, which is great. There's the cable. You got 2 lengths here for the front and rear, or for the rear camera, to suit what type of K you got. And last of all, the cigarette lighter if you want to use it in a cigarette lighter. You can also get a hardwire kit that comes separately, where you can set it to record for a user set amount of time after you park your car in a parking lot in case someone runs into it. You hear all the time about cars getting dented and scratched in parking lots, and really do people leave notes telling you it was them and leaving a contact number, leaving you with the damage bill. But if it happens, With you with this camera installed and set for parking mode, you'll normally always see who did the damage and most of the time get their registration number, and you can send to the police to get action taken. The camera supports up to 512GB micro SD cards, so it can keep recording for days in case you need to look back at something from yesterday. Tons of features and settings, too many to mention. Just get one is all I have to say, worth every cent. Rick unfortunately is not with us anymore, but rarely does a day go by without me thinking about him and Street Guardian. He was a top bloke to know, but Street Guardian quality continues with this camera. Support is also still superb. You will get assistance when you ask, unlike some other brands who are too tired turning over cam models forgetting about their customer base.